I am Maji. I used to ask you questions on Islam channel. I have problem that if I concentrate on the meaning of the Quran while praying, I forget the ayat. What shall I do? Now, alhamdulillah, all you have to read the Quran, what you're reading, you should know what you're reading. Alhamdulillah. So, Maji, mashallah, Maji is like a mother, and whenever she used to call on Islam channel, I used to address her as Maji. Maji means mother. So this is Masha, this woman Masha, she is joined us here. Maji, all you have to do is that when you are reading the Quran, and when you're reading the Quran in Arabic, definitely, so you just be careful of what you're reading, because even people when they are reading Quran in Arabic and they are Arabs, they still make mistakes in Fatha, Dhamma, Kasra, A, I, U. So that is wrong. So this is because the mind is here and there. For as far as your part is concerned, if you don't concentrate on the translation, doesn't matter. But at least when you are reading Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, then you should read properly with all the Fatha, the Dhamma and Kasra. Alhamdulillah, if you have concentrated that, that's more than enough, inshallah. So you don't have to be worried about the translation of it.